Hey everyone, Cody from Mactelecom Networks. In this video, we're going to be going on site to deploy a UniFi network. Within this UniFi network, we have 3 XG access points, the U7 XG, we have 17 cameras, and we have the Ubiquiti rack. This is the swing rack, and there is an affiliate link down in the description below. So let's get started.
We've now made it to the job site. We're going to be doing cameras here and network as well as Wi-Fi. The first camera is going to be going right here. We will be ripping that old one down. And then this comes into the reception area. There will be a reception desk here. The electrician did run the cabling, which we were supposed to run, so I'm not sure how that's going to work. But we will have a Wi-Fi access point here, and we'll also have a couple other cameras. Let's just walk down the hall and I'll show you some of the offices. In each one of these offices, the electrician ran one cable for voice and one cable for data. We originally were only running one drop because that's all they required. So we may have to get a bigger switch because I don't think we have enough capacity on the switch that we already have. This is where our Ubiquiti rack will be going. We'll be using up this whole wall. We do need to get power run to it. These are the cables that the electrician currently ran. We're going to be adding about another 25 to it. So it's going to be a kind of cool build. It will be looking good. And then this backboard, we'll have to put a backboard so that the rack could actually stay on the wall because it is a very heavy rack. Now I'll show you the warehouse. This is the warehouse. They need full Wi-Fi coverage, so we're going to be ending up putting an access point right in the middle, and they also need camera coverage, so we'll be putting cameras on this back wall to cover that. There is another section. You can see the Ubiquiti rack right here. It does come on this massive pallet. Same thing goes for this side. We're going to have to make sure that the camera coverage, because these doors are pretty important, so we'll end up putting cameras along the back side of this wall. Next thing we need to do, we need to start doing the cabling.
For the cable runs, we are using fiberglass rods, which make it easier to run the cables through the ceiling. And for the outdoor cameras, we had pot lights that we took down and then put the fiber rods in to get it to the next pot light so that we could easily bring the cabling over without having to drill any holes. For this installation, we're going to be using 3 types of cameras. We're going to be using the G6 turrets, the G6 dome, and the G6 PTZ. The access points that we went with were the U7 XG. These provide excellent coverage and they give us that Wi-Fi 7 6 GHz.
We got the Ubiquiti rack put up and we are using the 12U swing rack. This is a fairly big rack. The reason we went with it when it was ordered, the smaller ones weren't in stock, so this is what we're using. At the top you can see that we have a couple fans in here, and then we have all of our cables coming down. We do have other cables. This is what the electrician ran. We're gonna start with the first 24 bundle. This is all of our cameras and it's our access points as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a cable comb, and I'll put the link down below. I do prefer this other one, but I didn't actually bring it with me today. But it is a very good device to actually keep your cable straight. So we're gonna get these Velcroed and then we're gonna terminate them.
For this project, I'm using the VCE link, keystones, and crimper, but we also use the vertical cable VMAX in their crimper as well. I'll also put those links down below. And that's going to be it for this on-site video, and I'm really happy with how the rack turned out. I do know there's going to be a couple questions like, why didn't we use Ubiquiti patch panels? The reason for that, they were out of stock at the time. Also, where is the UPS? Well, we are using a Blue Eddy, I think that's how you call it, or maybe Blue Yeti UPS, and it's just not shown within the rack. And of course, everything is labeled. We use the Brady BMP 21 Plus to do our labeling and our wire wraps. Now, if you do like these on-site jobs, make sure to hit the subscribe button because we have another build coming out for a 17-floor condo, which is going to feature over 300 cameras. If you have any questions about this video, leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. All right, thanks.